Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Decorative Dream, your ultimate destination for home decoration inspiration. Are you passionate about interior design, home improvement, and turning everyday spaces into something truly special? Then you have come to the right place. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you fresh, creative, and practical home decoration ideas that suit every budget, style, and lifestyle. Whether you are living in a small apartment or a spacious house, we believe that everyone deserves a beautiful and comfortable home. At my channel Decorative Dream, we explore all aspects of home decor, from choosing the right color palette and furniture layout to accessorizing with artwork, lighting, plants, and die crafts. Our goal is to help you discover the potential of your living spaces and inspire you to personalize your home in a way that reflects your taste and personality. Each week we publish a new video featuring room makeover ideas, dye projects, seasonal decor, style guides, organization tips, home tour, product reviews. Whether you are a renter looking for temporary decor tips or a homeowner ready to renovate, we have got something for everyone. We believe that home decoration should be enjoyable, accessible, and empowering. That's why our videos focus on both aesthetics and practicality, helping you create spaces that not only look good but also feel good to live in. We also love to hear from our community. Don't hesitate to comment on our videos, ask questions, or share your own ideas and experiences. We are here to learn and grow together. If you are into home makeovers, stylish interiors, and smart decorating tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Join our community of design lovers and home makeovers who are transforming their houses into homes, one room at a time. Inspiration for decorating your space for holidays and seasons like Christmas, Diwali, summer, or autumn. My channel is for you. You can learn how to create beautiful aesthetics like boho, minimalist, farmhouse, vintage, modern, or Scandinavian. Join our community of design lovers and homemakers. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.